What's up guys, welcome to Junked Elements. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I've been working on this 2010 RAV4 here, which I plan to gift to my mom. And I've been going through doing maintenance and also adding some accessories. So I did a touchscreen radio, I did a dash cam, and in today's video, we're gonna be doing some floor mats. This is a company called Lasfit Liners, and they offer a ton of floor mats for a ton of different vehicles. And I really wanted to get rubber floor mats for my mom because this comes with carpet, and the original carpet floor mats were very, very gross. The driver's side had a hole in it. They were filled with like smoke odor and dirt. And nobody likes carpet floor mats anyway, especially when you have all this snow. So we're gonna upgrade to these brand new rubber floor mats from Lasfit Liners. We'll get all these pulled out and see what we have. Here's everything that comes with the Lasfit Liner Toyota RAV4 package. So we have our trunk mat back here. These go on the rear passenger seat backs, and when the seats are put down, then you'll have rubber mats, which that's really neat. Here is for the front of the rear seats, and then of course there's your driver's side, and here's your passenger side. These mats have sat out here for a little while now, just in the sunlight. There's like no heat. First and foremost, we'll start with our driver's side mat. And this mat has hooks at the bottom. So we're just gonna pop these little clips off. Then we can turn these a little bit and align our hooks so that they go like that. Same for this side. Nice. Wow. Talk about factory fitment. That thing is honestly probably better than factory. Look at this. That's really tight. And this hasn't even like worn in yet. Look at how tight that fitment is. All along the back right here, there's no gap. Wow, that's really great. Now we'll do the passenger side. I have a little issue here where the previous owner spilled a bucket of white paint. So this has been kind of bothering me, but it's gonna get covered up. Wow. This is changing the whole car. One thing I really love about this company is that they really, I feel like, paid attention to what RAV4 owners need. So when you put down the seats to store something, you're gonna end up getting your seats dirty. But they provided a rubber mat for the seat backs with Velcro on the back, so you can fit them perfectly. Another thing that I'm really liking and actually shocked by is their attention to detail. They provided one of these bungee cords that's built into the mat that actually helps hold the mat in place. So you'll take out your headrest and put it around the pegs on your headrest. And finally, we can install our trunk mat. And once again, we have another perfect fit. Here's what that looks like. And yeah, this will end up bending down after it sits in the sun for some more time. And now I'll show you how the mats work with the rear seat lowering and raising function. So when it's like this, you have coverage all the way up here on both sides. And then when you want to put it up, just tuck it and raise it. That simple. All in all, I'm a huge fan of these floor mats. I think it absolutely transformed the vehicle from something that was boring, plain, and something I was afraid of messing up to something that looks quality, fits everything else that I've done, and provides me with a ton of protection. If you guys are interested in getting any of these products, I'll put the link to their website in the description. For all my Element people that may be watching, I don't think they have anything for the Elements yet, but if you have another vehicle that you're looking to get some nice rubber floor mats for at a good price, check them out. Thanks for watching.